Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in the last session, as you all know, that we were discussing or revising some of the topics from our GK syllabus as we have already completed the GK syllabus. So in the today's session, I'm going to begin or I'm going to start with the revision of the next topic, that is plant facts. Okay, so this topic plant facts is given at page number 18. So all of you open your books at page number 18, that is plant facts. So I'm just writing the topic here, that is plant facts given at page number 18. So what is given here? Let's find out. So plant facts. So first plant that we will talk about is the Venus flytrap. So the first plant about which we are going to discuss today is Venus flytrap. This is Venus flytrap. Now what is Venus flytrap? So the long leaves of the Venus flytraps appears like flowers to attract insects. They fold quickly to capture the insect that sits on them. The leaf reopens when the trapped insect has been digested. Okay, a leaf rarely captures more than 3 insects in its lifetime. So now we are talking about a leaf that is Venus flytrap, and that's a you can say that's a carnivorous plant we are talking about. Okay, so this Venus flytrap, it has long leaves. Okay, and this Venus flytrap, okay, so you can see the picture. So this is a picture of the Venus flytrap and it attracts the insects. So ये insects को attract करता है. Okay, and as any insect sits inside it, जैसे वो कोई, okay, the leaf of the Venus flytrap is like this. So as an insect sits inside, जैसे कोई insect उसके अंदर बैठता है, it quickly close itself. वो अपने आप को तुरंत बंद कर देता है. It quickly can close itself and it captures the insect. Okay, and the insect that is trapped inside the leaves of the Venus flytrap. Okay, and it reopens this leaf in which the insect is being trapped. It reopens only after when that insect is completely digested by the plant. Okay, जब उस प्लांट जो प्लांट है या वो लीफ है, जब इंसेक्ट को पूरी तरह से डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है उसके बाद ही वो दोबारा रीओपन होता है. ओके, a leaf rarely captures more than 3 insects in its lifetime. And a leaf, जो एक लीफ है वो कम मतलब अपनी लाइफ टाइम में it really captures more than 3 insects in its life. अपनी पूरी लाइफ टाइम में कम मतलब only 3. Okay, it captures only 3 insects in its life duration, because the life of a leaf is quite very small and it really captures only 3. And because any leaf or flower, it can't it don't have a long lifespan. It has a very lifespan. So जैसे ही वो 3 insect कर लेता है, okay, so it really dies. So this is Venus flytrap. Next is touch me not plant. So the second plant we'll talk about, that is touch me not plant. Now what are the features of this plant, that is touch me not plant? So the touch me not plant has various sensitive soft green leaflets. Its leaves close in response to touching, warming, blowing and shaking. So you must have heard about the plant that is known as Chui Mui in Hindi. Okay, so as you touch the leaves of this touch me not plant, it quickly closes itself. वो तुरंत अपने आप को बंद कर लेता है. So the leaf of this touch me not plant, so when it comes in the contact or when it feels any sensation near around it, so it just close itself, वो अपने आप को तुरंत बंद कर लेता है. और that's why it is known as touch me not plant. Okay, it is a very okay, and the leaves, okay, this leaf have a very small leaf. So leaf के जो छोटे जो okay, I just draw it. So this is okay, so this is a complete leaf. Okay, so this is known as leaflets. जो plant with leaf के ऊपर छोटे छोटे leaves होते हैं, this is known as leaflets. Okay, so this small these were known as leaflets. So as you touch the leaflets of this plant, it will close. ये अपने आपस में बंद हो जाएंगे. So that's why it is known as kind of a very sensitive plant or sensitive soft plant. Okay, and it is known as touch me not plant. Okay, and it's you can say इसलिए इसको हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में छुई हुई. तो जैसे कोई इसको टच करता है, it just वो अपने आप को तुरंत बंद कर लेता है. Clear? Next, the third one is Rafflesia. Now we will talk about the another plant that is known as Rafflesia. Okay, so third plant is Rafflesia. Rafflesia. That is Rafflesia. Now what is about this Rafflesia? So Rafflesia, it is the world's largest flower, found in Malaysia and the Indonesia. It is about 1 meter wide and weighs up to 11 kg. Its leaves, roots or stem cannot be seen. It smells like the rotten meat which attracts insects. Okay, so now we are talking about a plant that is, also not talking about a flower that is Rafflesia, and it is the world's largest flower. तो दुनिया में जितने भी फ्लावर हैं, जिससे उसमें सबसे बड़ा फ्लावर which is the world. Okay, the question is name the world largest flower. You will say Rafflesia. So Rafflesia is the world's largest flower. Okay, now they have given some features or the characteristics of the Rafflesia flower. The Rafflesia is the world's largest flower, found in Malaysia and Indonesia. So these Rafflesia flowers, they are found in Malaysia and the Indonesia, right? Okay, so and these Rafflesia flowers, these are found in the Malaysia and the Indonesia. Okay, they have given the width and the weight of this Rafflesia flower. So this flower, Rafflesia flower, is near about 1 meter wide. So these are 1 meter wide. These Rafflesia flowers are 1 meter wide. Okay, and 1 meter is, this is about this. Okay, so this is near about 1 meter. So this flower is quite big in size, and the weight of this flower is near about 11 kg. So the weight of the Rafflesia flower is about 11 kg. Its leaves, roots and stem cannot be seen. It smells like rotten meat which attracts insects. Okay, the smell of this Rafflesia flower is it has a very rotten smell. It's a very bad, smells like a rotten meat, खराब हुए meat की तरह है. Okay, and that's why, okay, and you know then something gets कुछ खराब हो जाता है, so lots of insects they get attracted towards it. Similarly, when the smell of this Rafflesia flower, it attracts a lots of insects as well. Okay, so the main thing that you need to remember about this flower is that this is the world's largest flower. Rafflesia is the world's largest flower. It is near about 1 meter wide and it weighs up to 11 kilogram. Right? Next, dancing plant. So let's talk about another plant that is known as dancing plant. Now we are talking about another plant that is known as dancing plant. Now what is dancing plant? The dancing plant is also known as the telegraph plant. The plant is known for up and down movement of its leaves, which seems as if the plant is dancing. Its dancing effect occurs only in the sunlight. Now we are talking about a plant, okay, that is known as a dancing plant. Okay, and it is also known as, the other name of the dancing plant is the telegraph plant. Now why is it known as a dancing plant? The reason behind it, because when this dancing plant or the telegraph plant, when it comes in contact with the sunlight, so it seems like it is moving up and down. जब ये सनलाइट की कांटेक्ट में आता है तो जिसके जो लीव्स हैं ऐसा लगता है कि वो ऊपर नीचे अप एंड डाउन मूव कर रहे हैं, विच सीम्स लाइक दैट दिस प्लांट इज डांसिंग. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज बीइंग सेड दैट टेलीग्राफ प्लांट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज dancing plant. Okay, moving next to the fifth one. So these are the some plants that we talked about. Okay, the Venus flytrap, touch me not plant, Rafflesia, and the dancing plant. Next, on the page number 19, the three topics are there: photosynthesis, respiration, and the transpiration. So these were the plants that we were talking about. Now we'll talk about some of the process that are being followed by some of the plants. Right? So let's discuss some more facts about the plants. The next is photosynthesis. The next is photosynthesis. The next is photosynthesis. Now, what is photosynthesis? Okay, so photosynthesis. देखिए, photosynthesis means it's a process, okay, of making food by the plant. So photosynthesis is a process of making food by the plants. So here photosynthesis means light, photo, used to make something, okay, that is known as process. Okay, so when you make something, that is a process. So when we follow follow method to do something, that is known as that we are doing a process. Okay, so it's a process of making food by the plants. So plant need these three basic things to make their food for themselves, like sunlight, water, chlorophyll, a green pigment or the color, and carbon dioxide from air. During this process, plants give out oxygen and water vapor. Now we are talking about the process photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is not a name of a plant, it's a process of a plant for making food. जो प्लांट एक प्रोसेस फॉलो करते हैं टू मेक द फूड, दैट इज नोन एज फोटोसिंथेसिस. राइट? सो देखिए, वी व्हेन वी फील हंग्री, सो व्हाट यू डू, you go to tell your mother, then mommy cook lagi, then she cooks for you. But the plant, they don't have mother or to cook, or they don't have kitchen to cook their food. So that's why the plant, they cook their food by themselves. The plant or a tree, they always cook their food by themselves. So they need some three important things, actually four important things to prepare their food. They need water that they get from their roots, water, minerals, sunlight, and the chlorophyll. So water and minerals they can easily get from the soil. Okay, तो मिट्टी जिसमें वो plants लगे हुए हैं. Okay, a dead plant doesn't prepare their food. Only a living plant always prepare its food. Okay, so when a plant, okay, what are this? Okay, so for the water and the mineral, the plant get water and mineral from the soil. So जिस भी मिट्टी में वो लगे हैं वो उसके नीचे से soil से the roots of the plant or the tree, they suck water and mineral from the soil and passes it on to the other parts of the body, okay, or the plant, to the part of the body which prepare the food. So which part of the body of the plant prepare its food? So the food of the plant are prepared by its leaves. जो पत्ते होते हैं, leaves होते हैं, they prepare the food of the plants. Right? So photosynthesis means light used to make something, okay, okay, and they need these three basic things like sunlight, the sun, सूरज की रोशनी, water, mineral, and chlorophyll. Now what is chlorophyll? So chlorophyll is a pigment, okay, it's a you can say it's a pigment that is already present in every plant. Okay, वो already हर एक plant में होता है. Okay, and the plant they get when they prepare their food. Okay, when the plants are in the process of preparing their food, they gives out oxygen into the air and water vapor. So जब वो अपना खाना बनाते हैं तो वो air में oxygen और water vapor को exhale करते हैं. Okay, so this process is known as photosynthesis. So if somebody asks that what the question is, what is photosynthesis? So you will say the photosynthesis is a process of preparing food by the plants with the help of water, mineral, chlorophyll, and sunlight. Right? Okay. Next is respiration. Now we will talk about another thing, that is respiration. This is respiration. Now what is respiration? So it's also another term that is related to the plants. So not only to the plants, it is related to the every living object. Okay, so we human beings, okay, this term is also related to us. So respiration is the process of, okay, so right now I'm speaking, मैं सांस ले रही हूँ, छोड़ रही हूँ. So this is the process of inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. So similarly, every living object, कोई भी छोटी सी छोटी चीज़ हो, okay, living object can be an insect as well, और बड़ी से बड़ी चीज़ like a tree or human beings. So everything living object does the respiration, okay, वो सांस लेते हैं. But the method of or the way through which they do the respiration, that is different, okay. So respiration helps the plants to use the food prepared by them as energy. In this process, plants takes in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So what is respiration? So respiration, when, okay, so in the photosynthesis the plants were preparing their food, and when this food is used by the plant to get energy, okay, so जब हम खाना as we eat food, only then we get the energy. Similarly, the plants, when they eat, when they consume the food that is prepared by the leaves, only then they get the energy. Okay, so when the plants uses its food, or when that food is consumed by the plants, okay, to get the energy, so at that process is known as respiration. And the most important thing about the respiration is, when the plants do this respiration process, or when they follow the respiration, okay, so they exhale carbon dioxide and inhale oxygen. ओके, तो वैसे तो प्लांट्स है, दे ऑलवेज एक्सहेल ऑक्सीजन एंड इनहेल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को सक करते हैं, ऑक्सीजन छोड़ते हैं. बट व्हेन ड्यूरिंग द रेस्पिरेशन प्रोसेस, दैट इज नोन एज व्हेन दे कंज्यूम देयर फूड और व्हेन दे स्टार्ट कन्वर्टिंग देयर फूड इनटू देयर एनर्जी, so they follow the process of respiration, and during this respiration process they consume oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Okay, so that process is known as respiration. Next is transpiration. The another process or another term related to the plants is, that is transpiration. That is known as transpiration. Now what is transpiration? So transpiration is the loss of water from the plants through their leaves. It helps in the movement of the minerals and the water in plants. It helps the plants become cool and strong. So now we are talking about the process of that is being so when the water is lost from the water in the when the plant loses water from itself through their leaves, जब plant अपने अंदर से पानी खोते हैं leaves की वजह से, that is known as transpiration. Okay, so it is the loss of water from the plants through the leaves. It helps in the movement of the minerals and the water in the plants. It helps the plants become cool and strong. So okay, when we water the plants, okay, it goes in. So generally जब हम पानी पौधों को पानी देते हैं, we water the roots, and then those roots, they suck all the water from the soil, and then it passes on to the other parts of the plant or the tree. Okay, and ultimately when these water, the minerals that are being sucked by the roots of the plants and the tree, when it reaches to the various parts, or when it reaches to the leaves of the plant, so then those leaves, they start preparing the food. Okay, जो पानी वाटर मिनरल्स सक करते हैं, वो उसको कहाँ पास ऑन करते हैं, अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी को, ओके, ऑफ द प्लांट. एंड व्हेन इट रीचेस टू द लीव्स, तो लीव्स क्या करते हैं, देन दे स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग फूड फॉर द प्लांट सो दैट इट कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू एनर्जी. Okay, and this process of sucking the water or the minerals from the roots by the roots and passing it on to the different parts, and then those leaves, they use that water for preparing the food. This complete process is known as transpiration. That is known as transpiration. So we can say transpiration is the process of losing water by the leaves. Loss of water from the plants through their leaves. So transpiration is the process or is the loss of water from the plants through their leaves. Okay, so these are the three base other terms that we had discussed about the plant facts. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. So with this I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.